Hey, welcome to the Coin Box. Today we have not one, not two, not even three, but four reverse-proof Libertads. Libertads are known for their low mintages, and as a series they are highly sought after in collectible coins, but these reverse-proof Libertads boast an ultra-low mintage of only 1,000 coins each. So I feel like I'm off to a pretty good start cornering the market on these because I have 3 of the 2-ounce reverse-proof and 1 5-ounce coin. Unfortunately, I do not have the 1-ounce reverse proof yet, so we'll just take a look at the 2 and the 5-ounce today, and be sure to watch till the end of the video where we'll go over the specs of both sizes. This is the 5-ounce reverse proof Libertad from 2021, and it's interesting that contrary to common belief, this is actually the obverse of the coin. Most assume that the side with winged victory is the obverse, and I used to think so myself until I discovered that as of 1905, the Mexican coat of arms is officially the obverse on all Mexican coinage. Libertads are legal tender and are backed by the Mexican government, so even though there's no denomination on the coins, their value is technically determined by the current market price of silver, although needless to say, these here carry a pretty hefty premium even beyond their silver value because of their finish and ultra-low mintage. I don't know how well the size and weight of this chunky piece of silver comes through on video, but as you can see, it has a beautiful finish that highlights the various design elements with a highly reflective look that in turn contrasts well with the matte finish on the background and fields of the design. Now, as far as I can tell, the 5-ounce and 2-ounce have practically identical designs except for one thing. If we take a closer look at the cactus pad right below the eagle, you'll notice the 2-ounce coin has 7 dots and the 5-ounce only has 6 dots on that pad. Now, as you might already know, the Libertad series has several different varieties, and there are still new varieties being discovered even from older date Libertads. So it makes me wonder, and I'll need your help with this, do all 5-ounce reverse proof Libertads have only 6 dots, even from other years? And do all 2-ounce reverse proofs have 7, or does it vary by year? Please let me know in the comments below if you have any info on this. On the current version of the Mexican coat of arms made by Francisco Epens in 1968, there are 7 dots on that pad, which is what's most common throughout the Libertad series, but it varies, as it does on other Mexican coinage as well. If you've watched my video on the 1995 Mexican proof sets, you'll have seen that there was one coin in that set that had as few as 5 dots on the cactus. The reverse proof finish is definitely my favorite finish on coins. There's just nothing quite like it. I think it's interesting that in Spanish, this finish is called Mate Brillo. In other words, it's 2 unique finishes on one coin. Mate, or matte, is the background finish, and brillo, which translates to shine, refers to the reflective finish on winged victory. You might assume the background is the same finish as a regular satin finish Libertad, but it's not. There is a clear difference between the matte finish on the reverse proof coin and the satin finish. Here are both finishes side by side, and you can see what I mean about them being 3 distinct finishes. Something else worth mentioning is that unlike the American Silver Eagles, the Libertad Mate Brillo coins are not a perfectly inverted proof coin. If they were, the mountains and scenery would have the same finish as winged victory. That might be why Mate Brillo is sometimes translated as proof-like instead of reverse proof. So these are the 4 different finishes that the Mexican Mint, La Casa de Moneda, produces as part of the new Libertad series. We have the reverse proof, the antique finish, the proof Libertad, and the satin finish Libertad. Here's a closer look at the 1-ounce proof Libertad from 2016 with a mirror-like background, which creates a really nice, strong contrast. And here's the antique finish Libertad from 2018, which was the first year of issue for this finish. Personally, I really like how unique this look is. As soon as I can get my hands on a 1-ounce reverse proof Libertad, I'll be doing another video where I specifically compare and look at the different finishes on this series, but I just thought it'd be neat to take a quick look at them in this video. Here's the obverse on all 4 finishes. So we have the reverse proof finish, which in Spanish is called Mate Brillo, the proof finish, which is espejo or proof, the satin finish, which is acabado satín, and the antique finish, which is acabado antiguo in Spanish. And just because we can, let's take a quick look at the reverse proof American Silver Eagle that came in the 2-coin designer edition set from the US Mint last year. Feel free to check out that video on the channel. This is a 1-ounce coin, and again, I really like the reverse proof finish on coins. It's just so pretty. I will say it's quite challenging to capture on camera, but it's a very beautiful finish. Okay, next up, enjoy this quick cinematic sequence of both the 2 and 5-ounce reverse proof Libertads, and we'll get to their specs on the other side. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching that sequence. Next up, we'll go over the specs of these coins. Both the 2 and 5 ounce 2021 coins were released in Mexico around November 2021, so late last year. The earliest I saw them available in the US was in January of this year. Both sizes had a mintage of only 1,000 coins, of which 250 were sold as part of the 2 coin set, like this one, that came with a box and COA. That means that only 750 of each size were sold individually. The value of the 2 coin set is currently around $700. The 2 and 5 ounce versions of the reverse proof finish were first released in 2017. The 1 ounce reverse proof Libertad was first released 2 years earlier in 2015. The lowest mintage for both sizes is 1,000 coins in 2019, 2020, and 2021. Official mintages for the 2022 coins have not yet been released, so we'll have to see if they stay at about 1,000 coins. For reference, here are each year's mintages of the 2 ounce reverse proof Libertad, which has only been issued for 5 years now, not counting the upcoming 2022 release. The current value of the 2021 2 ounce coin is around $250. It's of course 2 troy ounces of 3/9 fine silver. It has a diameter of 48 millimeters, a thickness of 4.5 millimeters, and a reeded edge. Once again, here are the mintages of the 5 ounce reverse proofs, with the most common year being 2018 with 2,100 minted. The current value of a 2021 reverse proof 5 ounce Libertad is around $400. It's 5 troy ounces of 3/9 fine silver. It measures 65 millimeters in diameter. It's 5.37 millimeters thick and has a reeded edge. And again, just as a side note, the 5 ounce version has 6 dots on the cactus. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like Libertads as much as I do, please consider subscribing to the channel and be sure to click the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.